Welcome. If you want to connect to the Wi-Fi network in your Samsung Galaxy A20e, you have to go for the Wi-Fi options. So you have to open notification panel, click and hold Wi-Fi icon, and right now you will be able to see all available networks around you. Of course, you have to turn on the Wi-Fi by enable this switcher. So normally it will be turned off. To turn it on, just tap right here. As you can see, I'm currently connected with the Wi-Fi network, but if you want to switch or connect to the new one, just select network from this list. For example, I'm going to connect with the Zenfone 7 Pro, and then you have to input the password. If you want to be sure that your password is correct, you can tap right here to see your password. You can click connect, and as you can see, after a few moments, we are successfully connected. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.